Acharya, Very Ramakrishna ji, judges, and my dear students. I mean, कलेक्टर बन जाते हैं तो आपका समय आपका नहीं होता. Unfortunately, I'll have to leave now. That is the reason I've requested the principal to kindly allow me to speak with you and then leave. As usual, the performance of the students, both on the cultural level and also at in the exhibitions that you put up, I mean, reinstates the faith that these institutions that you're studying in are the best in the country, and their reach in areas like Balaghat, Malajkhand and other areas of this cluster is actually giving the students an opportunity to explore not only the culture and heritage of our country but also the rest of the world. So Turkey and Mizoram, the country and the state respectively, that have been assigned as the topics of interest for this particular program, have a rich culture and heritage. In fact, Turkey has such a rich culture. It has, I mean, its history starts from even much as early as, I mean, in the BC era itself. I mean, some of the more important cultural interventions happened there. Turkey happens to be at the crossroads of Asia and Europe. That also has put it and made it a center stage of activities from both the European and Asian cultures. A very famous and a very big empire called the Byzantine Empire started there. The Caliphate was conceived there. And Mizoram is one of Seven Sisters, one of our most important states on the northeastern side. And the way the students have prepared themselves and presented both the exhibition and the cultural activities makes me feel very happy. In fact, probably this is the best way to start my day. And I myself remember practicing this dance when we were in the IAS Academy. And the boys and girls have worked really hard because the amount of coordination required in performing this dance is very high. I mean, the girls are really brave that they trust their friends and they're just putting their legs into those between those bamboos. Because one small coordination mistake, you know what will happen, you might even twist your ankle. But the dances have been, so far have been gracefully performed, and I'm sure the other participants are also going to be equally good, and I'm going to sorely miss them. And the rest of the competitions, the quiz competition and the debate and other competitions that are going to be held, I'm sure will be equally interesting and informative for the rest of the students. And I congratulate the principal on organizing this wonderful event, and most importantly the students who've taken keen interest in participating in this event, and this is a wonderful learning opportunity for you all. Read more about the state and the country that is with you. In fact, you have so many sources for reading now. So I wish you all the very best, and I'm sure, as always, you'll keep up the good work. Thank you very much.